The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Huya with the ticker symbol HUYA. I'll first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for Huya. Let's go over the previous price action just real quick. We had an uptrend in play. Unfortunately, prices broke the channel, but we didn't see any pushes up. But either way, prices traded down in this little sharp move right here. Then we started getting shallower. So we had a downtrend break and a few legs down to a new low, which is perfect price action. This is one leg down. Prices can still reach this leg right here at the $2 level, but it's getting held up by this previous strong support. So you can see that in the past, this was a very strong support. It is $3 psychological number. You can see it bounced here, prices broke it, found resistance, came back up, found support. It's still finding support here. So basically, Huya is also just like trading sideways for the past couple of weeks, is waiting for that catalyst to occur, which is going to be that earnings report, which is estimated to be Tuesday next week before market open, just like TME. We'll see if it's going to reach this measurable target or completely reverse and make another large leg up, because it looks like the downtrend is getting weaker. It's getting shallower and shallower. Before, look at it, was dropping sharply, then it got a little bit shallower, got even more shallower. Now it's just kind of going sideways. So, you know, this is usually the sign of a reversal, but again, just as easily it can reach this measurable target at the $2 level. So it's a transition area. We still haven't gotten above the EMA. It's acting as a strong resistance. So we'll see if we can push through it and stay above it. Right now, you know, it's just pretty much a coin toss which way it wants to go. Right now, you know, I'll be leaning more towards the upside just because the downtrend looks kind of weak, and we could still get another leg up if we have bottomed to the 768 level. We'll see if that occurs, and we'll go from there. But as of right now, pretty much traders are just waiting for that earnings report to come out. Then they'll probably begin, you know, trading aggressively. So we're waiting for that volatility to come back in this stock. That's all I have for Huya on the daily chart. There was a viewer who said that Huya, you know, is not really good company anymore. If you guys have any more fundamental comments, please leave them in the comments down below. I'm interested in hearing about the fundamentals behind Huya. I mean, it seems like the revenue was dropping, but it still seems like a profitable company. It looks like they did, you know, drop a lot. They're pretty much just have the same revenue as in pretty much 2019. So the company could be reversing and not doing that good. But I'm interested in it, so I want to see if, you know, it's not like a dying company or anything like that. So we'll see. But if you guys have any feedback, just leave it in the comments down below on the fundamentals. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here's the weekly chart for Huya. And again, in the past, it was trading from in 2018. It was at the 1570 level, and then in 2021 is at the 1530 level. So basically, you know, for 3 years, prices were kind of just trading sideways in this ranging pattern. Then all of a sudden, you know, the stock went from a $15 stock to pretty much almost a $1 stock. So that's a very large drop. Prices were below the EMA the entire time. Just recently, we saw prices get back above the EMA last year. So this could be a shift in trend. But most of these gains were taken back. But using the Fibonacci tool, I mean, it's still, you know, in a pullback territory. So this could still be a potential another leg up. We'll see. But as right now, you know, technically, since we had a breakout of this range, we haven't seen a retest of it. So it could come back to that $15 level just based on technicals. And then maybe, you know, break it or get rejected from it. But either way, this was a breakout point. Prices will try to come back and retest it. We'll see if Huya can do that. Another good sign about the stock is that prices are kind of having a rounding bottom. You can see that the downtrend is getting shallower and shallower. Then all of a sudden, prices shot through the EMA, and now we're kind of just going sideways. So maybe we, you know, see a complete trend reversal. But either way, you know, the company needs to be a rising company, not a dying company, or the technicals or the fundamentals will override the technicals at that point. I mean, obviously, if the company is going to go bankrupt, you know, the technicals shouldn't be going up. So, I mean, obviously, the fundamentals at that point will override the technicals. But in most cases, the technicals will override the fundamentals. But, you know, we'll have to wait and see. But as right now, let's see what we get on that earnings report. It looks like it wants to pop up, but we are finding resistance, and we still have the measure move lower. So again, it's a transition area. You can go either way. I'm leaning more towards the upside, and we'll see if that occurs. But I'll give you guys an update next week, Saturday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.